Welcome, dear listeners, to a captivating voyage through the captivating historical tapestry of Haiti on the Moses Show, where we illuminate the vibrant stories, cultural nuances, and resilient spirit that define this remarkable nation. Prepare to embark on an immersive odyssey as we delve deep into the heart of Haiti's iconic landmarks, each one a living testament to the indomitable strength and rich heritage of its people. Our odyssey commences amidst the rugged terrain of northern Haiti, where the imposing silhouette of the Citadelle La Ferrière looms large against the azure sky. A masterpiece of military engineering and architectural ingenuity, this colossal fortress stands as a sentinel, a steadfast guardian of Haiti's hard-won independence. Commissioned by King Henri Christophe in the early 19th century as a bulwark against potential colonialism,